Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome again to page 34. Today, what do we have here? We have Tadribatu Sur'at al-Qira'a, practicing how to read fast. He is telling the teacher here to write on the blackboard, اكتب الكلمة مجردة من حرف الزيادة ثم أدخله عليها. He's telling the teacher to write this word without the added letter. Okay, in this word there's an added letter, for example, which is this one. So write this word without the added letter. لا تقطع النفس, do not cut the breathing or your breath. فينقطع الصوت, which will lead to your sound carrying out. وراقب الزمن الحركة, and he's telling you to take heed, look out on the zaman al-haraka, on the time of you pronouncing the letter. So for example, we have here the first haraka, the letter with the haraka, ha, fi, dha, hafidha, hafidha, ka, hafidhaka. So do not say like hafidha, then you take a pause, ka, then you add that one. That is what he's telling you not to do. So how do we do this one? So we have ha, fi, dha, hafidha, ka, hafidhaka, hafidhaka, hafidhaka. Okay, so this letter, the first one or the second one or the third one or the fourth one, one of them, one between this one should not be longer than the other one. For example, you saying hafidhaka or hafidhaka or hafidhaka or hafidhaka. No, nothing like that. All of them should be the same. Okay, حافظك, حفظك, حفظك. طيب, لا غاضب, لا غاضب. The added letter is this one. So غاضب, لا غاضب, لا غاضب. Okay, لا غاضب. وشاهد, وشاهد, وشاهد. Okay, shahida is your word. What we've added is wa. وشاهد. طيب, وشاهد. فعلم, 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 فعلم. طيب, علم is your word. Fa is the added one. وعطش, 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 وعطش. طيب, wa is the added, عطش is your word. سببه, 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 سببه. طيب, he is the added word here, added letter, sorry. Sababi is your word. طيب, let's go to this other one here. شرفك, 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 شرفي. Sharafi is your word. Ka is the added one. Okay, is the added letter. Sharafika. Waladi, waladi, waladi. He is your added one, is the added letter. Waladihi, waladihi. Asami'a, 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 asami'a. Sami'a is your word. A is the added one. طيب, فرحما, 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 فرحما. طيب, رحمة is your word. Fa is the added one. بلدك, 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 بلدك. Baladi is your word. Ka is the added letter. So baladika, baladika. ورضيا, ورضيا, ورضيا. طيب, ورضيا. رضيا is your word. Wa is the added letter. ورضيا. طيب, so let's start from the beginning. until the end. This is how you're supposed to be reading it. حفظك حفظك لغضب 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 وشهد 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 فعلم 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 وعطش 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 سببه 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 شرفك 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 ولده 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 أسمع 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 فرحم 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 بلدك 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 ورضي ورضي ورضي. طيب, inshallah, remember one of these letters should not be longer than the other one. Inshallah, مع السلامة. See you in the second half. Shukran. Thank you for watching.